Oh my gosh. Right on the edge of a cliff, a bluff. There's Santa Cruz, just north of Carmel. There is a beautiful, and I mean beautiful vista point right here. Now this is why you have an Airstream, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeedy, don't be greedy. Look at this girl, right on the edge of the water here. Oh, the air is so nice. And literally, you just pull up and just set your little hooves in the sand right here. Just digging on deep, soulful style and just breathing in that air. Sans COVID Corona, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Sans COVID Corona here at Carmel, just north of Carmel, on the bluffs. Gorgeous. This is why you have an Airstream. This is why you have an